As we walk towards the SMDC Festival grounds, the excitement is already in the air. Sa bawat hakbang, nakakasalubong namin ang kapwa 18. Nagkukwentuhan, nagtatawanan, at sabay-sabay nanonood ng concert ng SB19. Na kahit pagod na, okay lang. Because all of us are truly enjoying every moment. Full support talaga sa SB19. This becomes even more special because I got the chance to meet foreign reactors from abroad. Melanie reacts and Tony reacts. It was so nice seeing you both. And I hope next time we have more interaction. Thank you so much for your support to SB19. Ito ang wakas at simula, at para sa amin, this is only just a beginning.